All right, so let's do an unboxing of these little diamond art ornament kits. These are from Michaels, and they're the Make Market brand, their store brand. I have done one diamond art kit from this brand, and I will admit I don't love it as much as I like the actual diamond art brand or Diamond Dots brand, because the drills are not as faceted and as detailed as, oh, I see, look at that. And then you just pull off this, and that's the sticky thing on there. Oh, that is gonna be so cute. The drills in the Make Market brand are not as faceted as the actual like Diamond Art and Diamond Dots brand drills. What is this for? Enhanced PE sheets. I don't know why. But you get all the traditional things. And then, how many of these? It can't be that many colors. I think there's 5 colors. So that's not too bad. That should be pretty easy to get set up and get going. I want to do, once I start one of them, I'm going to do one of them. I'll do one of them today. And I'll only do one on video. Because, you know, once you get the idea, you know, I don't think you want to watch me do all 6 of them, but I'm very curious as to how long one of them will take me. That was slightly open. I hope it's not all dried out. We'll see how many actual baggies they gave you. So there's, yeah, 5 colors and 5 baggies. That's nice. I don't think I'll label the white and green one, but I will do, well, maybe I'll do it the not wasting tape way. So this is how I set up all of my kits basically, is that I start by putting all of the stuff in bags. And then for this one, usually I'll cut this out and tape it on the front, but I'm assuming, yeah, we don't need to know what the big long number is. So I won't keep this. But I will just put that in there as well so I know what number these all are. So we've got whoops, here, I'll show you. I just got them the A, B, C, D, and E. So I'll just kind of put those up there. Put these garbage out of the way. And they even give us little ties. That's nice. I've never used this blue wax. I've only been used to the pink stuff that you get. Come on. Peel off. Come on. Are you in your box? Yeah, you play in your box. Okay, and we are ready to get started. Make sure I'm kind of in frame here. 1 second. So, okay, so we'll work right there. Oh. It's nice that that's stuck on there. We'll see how this... See, I might hear Katy going. She's still struggling with daylight savings time, so it's 5 o'clock and she thinks it's 6, which is dinner time, so... Okay, did we get enough in there? I think we did. All right, so we'll set that aside for now. And let's start with A. And so starting now, I'll start a timer and see how long. There we go. All right, so starting now, we'll do a timer. So let's just take off the whole thing. I'm planning on finishing it, so let's see how we do here. Get some A's. So yeah, these are definitely not as faceted and reflective as the Diamond Art Club or Diamond Dots drills are. These are basically just kind of cupped. I don't see many facets on here at all, but that's okay. There still is, the ornaments will still be cute. This pen works nicely, I will say that. I do like it. And I won't rush, but I'll try not to take too much time or be too picky about it, just so we can get an idea of how long these take. But I have a feeling it's going to be pretty satisfying because you're going to get a whole one done every sitting, really, or one or two or three you can get done in a sitting. So I do like that idea. So, okay, there we go. So that took 11 minutes and 30 seconds to do one of them. So yeah, you could definitely do all of them in a sitting if you wanted to. Meow meow. I don't know if I'll keep this black. This is like a hemp rope kind of thing. I may do a fancier string on this, but there we go. We get meow meow, honey. Meow meow. It's not 6 o'clock yet. I know. I know. Daylight savings time is hard. So there we go. Ooh, that left lots of. Okay, maybe don't put the string on until you're all done. But yeah, there's the one, and that took total, even putting the string on, less than 12 minutes. That's really. I actually really like that. It's very cute. I'm very happy with that. I love it. So while we're doing that, let's open. Let me just give you a preview of this guy. Maybe I'll do one of these in a little bit. I'll get rid of that string. I don't like that string. So this one comes with that. Another prep kit all on its own. Oh, so this one has big gems. That's really cute too. Should I do one of those now? Get rid of that string. I'll use a different string. I don't like that string. Let's open this one. So there was a third one of these two. That's a nutcracker, but I've never been a big fan of the nutcracker guys. So this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 colors. And then they've got all these big specialty ones. Those are really nice. Oh, for God's sake. Oh, no. Haven't done that in a while. Oh, Lord. All right, let's try to get these picked up here. This is why I find them like stuck to my arm days and weeks later. And I find them like stuck to my feet and in my bed and in my shoes. Actually, let's do like this. There we go. There we go. Get in there. I refuse to make a mess, but it happens nonetheless. Okay, so let's start the timer, and we'll peel off the thingy. And I think we'll start with A because that's the most boring. And we'll fill in with all the rest here. Except for these two that got, these are B's, so let's just find a home for them. Right now, if I can get them right side up. Honey, it's not time yet, I'm sorry. I know, it's hard to be hungry. And you had your lunch early too, because Mama had to work. Okay, so I gotta get my light in the right angle. Okay, so then I think we'll start the timer now. All right, there's all the A's. Let's see how long that took. That was 16 minutes just for the A's. Just need 2 D's. sometimes these big ones will be picked up. Not always. Cool. E. We have 2 of those. Scoot that in there. Okay. Gotta love that snap in there. It's so satisfying. 3 Fs. Come here, come here. I'm not gonna pick up for me. There it goes. Can you just watch it? And 1 and 2. There we go. So that one took 16, so that's about 20 minutes, or about half an hour. So definitely longer than this one. Let's get that out of the way. We'll get a nice clean shot of these guys. How cute. I'll put one of these strings on this one for the photo, but probably won't keep it because they are shedding all over the place. There we go. Those are really cute. Rayo, you want to see too? Well, what's that? You want to see too? Look. Yeah. Okay. Okay, Mama will stop crafting and pay attention to you now. Yes.